Stop scrolling for just a second. Are you tired of complex video editing? Does creating videos take too much time? Do you wish video production was easier? What if AI could make videos for you? Imagine turning text into video instantly. Think about blog posts becoming engaging videos. Meet Fliki AI. Fliki AI is an amazing AI video generator. It uses artificial intelligence. It creates videos from your scripts or text. You can make videos fast, really fast. In this Fliki AI review, we dive deep. We will explore its powerful features. We will see the real benefits for you. Is Fliki AI the best AI video generator? Let's find out together right now. You don't want to miss this. Want to try Fliki AI yourself? Good news, you can start for free. Create your first AI videos easily. Check the link in the video description. Click that link to get started. See how Fliki AI works firsthand. Turn your ideas into videos today. It's free to begin. Give Fliki a try. Okay, let's explore Fliki AI's core features. First up, text-to-video creation. This is Fliki's superpower. You provide the text or script. Fliki AI analyzes your words. It automatically finds relevant visuals. It pulls from a huge stock library. Think images and video clips. Fliki matches visuals to your sentences. You can easily change suggested media. Turn blog posts into videos easily. Convert scripts into presentations. This feature saves incredible time. It's a core part of this Fliki review. Next, amazing AI voices. Forget robotic-sounding narration. Fliki AI offers hundreds of voices. These voices sound very natural. Choose from many languages and accents. Find the perfect voice for your video. You can even adjust pitch and speed. No microphone needed. No recording booth. Just type your script. Select a voice. Done. This makes voiceovers super simple. A key Fliki AI video generator plus. Fliki includes a massive media library. Access millions of premium assets. Find high-quality images instantly. Get relevant video clips quickly. No need for separate stock photo sites. No extra costs for most media. Fliki finds media for you automatically. Or you can search the library yourself. Make your videos visually stunning. Use Fliki AI's library. Want a face for your video? Fliki AI now offers AI avatars. Check specific plans for availability. Choose a digital presenter. They can speak your script. This adds a human touch. It's great for explainer videos. Good for training or marketing too. A unique feature in an AI video generator. Is Fliki AI easy to use? Yes. The interface is clean and simple. It is very user-friendly. You don't need editing experience. Everything is straightforward. Add text, choose voices, check visuals. Preview your video anytime. Exporting is simple too. This makes Fliki accessible to everyone. So, those are the features. But how does Fliki AI benefit you? Let's talk about real-world advantages. Benefit number 1, time savings. Traditional video editing takes hours. Finding footage is slow. Recording voiceovers takes time. Fliki AI automates most of this. Create videos in minutes, not days. Focus on your content, not editing tools. Speed up your content production significantly. Fliki helps you be faster. Benefit 2, lower costs. Video production can be expensive. Stock media costs add up. Hiring voice actors costs money. Professional editors can be pricey. Fliki bundles these things. Access voices and media within Fliki. Avoid many traditional expenses. Get great value with Fliki. Benefit 3, repurpose content easily. Do you have blog posts, articles? Turn them into videos with Fliki AI. Reach a wider audience on platforms like YouTube. Transform written content into visual stories. Get more value from existing content. Fliki makes repurposing simple. Benefit 4, accessibility for everyone. You don't need to be a video expert. Fliki AI is designed for simplicity. If you can write or use a computer, you can probably use Fliki. It lowers the barrier to video creation. Anyone can make videos with Fliki AI. Benefit 5. Consistency. Use the same AI voice across videos. Maintain a consistent visual style. Build a recognizable brand presence. Fliki helps maintain quality easily. Our Fliki review shows this benefit. So that's our deep dive into Fliki AI. We looked at its amazing features. Text-to-video is a game changer. Realistic AI voices are impressive. The stock library is vast. The ease of use is fantastic. We also covered the key benefits: save time, reduce costs, repurpose content. Anyone can create videos now. My final thoughts on this Fliki AI review. Fliki is a powerful AI video generator. It's perfect for content creators. Great for marketers and businesses too. Ideal for educators and course creators. If you need videos fast, consider Fliki. It simplifies the entire video process. It makes video creation accessible and efficient. Fliki delivers. Ready to make your own AI videos? Don't forget to try Fliki AI for free. The link is waiting in the description below. Click it now and start creating. Thanks so much for watching this Fliki review. If this video helped you, please like it. Subscribe for more AI tool reviews. Hit the notification bell too. Have questions about Fliki AI? Ask them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.